Final road trip of the season, the Royals rookies taking center stage, everyone from Superman to the Mario Brothers in Minnesota. Kevin Slowey still winless on the year, top of one, facing Melky Cabrera, who makes his way into the Royals record books.
And a chopper toward short. It's going to be a tough play for Plouffe, and the throw safe at first. So that's going to be hit number 200 right there.
Call from KCSP. Cabrera later scored on an Eric Hosmer sac fly to make it 1-0. He's the sixth Royal with 200 hits in a season. It's happened 7 times. George Brett did it twice. Bottom of 2, Felipe Paulino on the mound for the Royals, and the right-hander showing his stuff. Facing Danny Valencia, down he goes swinging, and then it's Trevor Plouffe, and there goes another one. On the 4th inning, still 1-0 Kansas City, 2 on and 2 out for Rene Tassoni. And he golfs this single into center, brings home Chris Parmalee. It was a tie game at 1. Bottom of 5, man on and 2 out for Michael Kadire, and he comes through off of Paulino. 2-run shot, his 20th, and it was a 3-1 Minnesota lead. Top of the 6th, after the Royals scored 2 runs to tie the game at 3, it was Mike Moustakas stepping in against Slowey.
Ball hit down the line and right, down near the foul pole. It is gone! A home run for Mike Moustakas. The Royals take the lead.
That made it 4-3, the call from KCSP. Later in the frame, Jim Hoey now on the mound. Runners at the corners, and Alcides Escobar comes through. The single scores Lorenzo Cain. 5-3 Royals, part of a 4-run inning. Bottom of 7, Tim Collins in for Paulino. Drew Butero with the pop-up into foul ground. Moustakas along the tarp. He reaches up and he hauls it in. Take another look. Moustakas staying with it. The fans right there. How does he make that catch? The rookies wore costumes to start the night. They made great plays to end the night, and they ended up with 1 in the win column. Royals victorious 7-3. Paulino picks up his 4th win. As for Kevin Slowey, he falls to 0-8 on the season. The Twins now 1 loss away from 100 for the year.